यसलाई चाहिँ ब्ल्याक सन भनिन्छ। यसको चाहिँ लगभग 9-10 लाख रुपियाँ यसको मूल्य छ। यो बर्ड पार्कको सबैभन्दा महँगो बर्ड्स हुन सक्छ। ब्ल्याक फन यो चाहिँ इमु हो।
Mostly we are targeting, see, schools, lot many students, they come and visit the park, and then we have been getting the feedbacks from there that they like never in their life, or like never in the in the videos or something, they have just seen in the videos and all, but when they come to the park, they are like, when they see everything live, and then when they are able to interact with the birds, they are like really happy with.
तो देख कोलकाता से आया हूँ। मेरे को इतना बढ़िया लगा, मेरे को लगता है जैसे जुरासिक पार्क में आ गए। ठीक है, फर्स्ट टाइम तो मेरे को लग रहा है जुरासिक पार्क में है, और इतना अच्छा मेंटेन है इधर का, बहुत ही।
नमस्कार, तपाईलाई स्वतन्त्र आवाजमा स्वागत छ। यति बेला म यहाँलाई गेजिङ जिल्लामा लिएर आएको छु र गेजिङ जिल्लादेखि केही दूरीमा, गेजिङ बजारदेखि केही दूरीमा अवस्थित अथवा निर्मित यो बर्ड पार्क, जसलाई सिद्केओङ तुल्कु बर्ड पार्क नामकरण गरिएको छ। यो बर्ड पार्क 2017 मा नै यहाँनिर खोलिएको हो। कारणवश यो सञ्चालनमा आउन सकिरहेको थिएन, विभिन्न कारण हुनसक्छ, त्यसमा कोभिड पनि हुनसक्छ। त्यसपश्चात यो त्यतिकै थाँतीमा रहिरहेको थियो। अनि जुन नयाँ गभर्नमेन्ट आयो, मुख्यमन्त्री प्रेमसिंह तामाङको दिशा निर्देशमा या विभागले यसको मुहार फेर्ने काम गर्यो, यसमा सौन्दर्यीकरण थप्यो र विभिन्न चरालाई यहाँ ल्यायो। यहाँ तपाईलाई जानकारी गरौँ कि यहाँनिर 20 प्रजातिका चराहरूलाई अहिलेसम्म ल्याइएको छ र यो अति नै आकर्षित र प्रसिद्ध बन्दै गइरहेको अनगन्ती आगन्तुकहरूको पर्यटकीय गन्तव्य स्थल बनेको छ। डिएफओ निशा सुब्बाले हामीलाई विस्तृत जानकारी गराउनु भएको छ। अनि हामीले यहाँ भ्रमण पनि गऱ्यौँ र पर्यटकहरूको प्रतिक्रिया पनि लियौँ, उहाँहरूको कमेन्ट पनि लियौँ र तपाईलाई जानकारी गराउँ। यो अति नै सुन्दर जग्गा छ। यो राबदेन्चीमा निर्मित, मैले अघि भनिहालेँ, सिद्केओङ तुल्कु बर्ड पार्क जो राबदेन्चीमा छ, गेजिङ बजारदेखि केही दूरीमा अवस्थित, र यो पर्यटकहरूको निम्ति एउटा राम्रो पर्यटकीय गन्तव्य स्थल बन्दै गएको अवस्था छ। यो केही समय पछि चाहिँ ओपनिङ हुनेछ, यसलाई अफिसियली ओपनिङ गरिनेछ। यद्यपि अहिले यस्तो केही सिजनहरूतिर, पर्वहरूतिर 50,000सम्म यहाँबाट रेभिन्यू कलेक्सन हुने गरेको हामीलाई जानकारी पनि प्राप्त भएको छ। हेर्नुहोस्, हामीले विस्तृत रूपमा यहाँ आएर तयार पारेको यो रिपोर्ट। गोल्डन पिजन हो यो चाहिँ। यो चाहिँ गोल्डन पिजन हो, लाग्दैन सही।
I'm Nisha Subba. I'm DFO Wildlife. I look after Bersi Rododendron Sanctuary and entire Soring and Geyzing district. Okay, so like the inauguration which happened for the Sidkeong Tulku Bird Park was in the year 2017. But like, to be very honest, this park was not in a very good shape. So like in 2020, our Honorable Chief Minister sir had visited the park. So he thought like there's a need of like, the park needs to be upgraded and then to be like, reach the international label and all. So after his visit, so we were given like certain fund for the upliftment of this park. So this is what we have been doing, and then what we have done right now. So I think you can just give
How
a.
many species of birds?
So we have like around 20 species of birds out here, and then we do have Macau as well, which is the most expensive right now. So like just for one bird, I think it's around 8 lakhs just for one pair of bird. That is the most expensive birds we have, and then there are other species of black swans, and then emus, and then we are planning to get ostrich as well, and then there are different species of canoes and then cocktails, and I think you can just have a look around like the different. We have kept the signages as well.
So, I mean, what are the other facilities in this park?
Facilities which you have is like we have many selfie corners out here. I think that is what most of the tourists they prefer. Like when we go out of the state or out of the country, so that time what we prefer is like we want to like have memories to create memories. So for that we have like lot many. We want to like go for good pictures, and also that's what we have been trying to do out here. So till now, till date, like I think we have been getting lot many positive feedbacks about like this park. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Most of the birds you have out here we see are exotic birds which are not
True.
native to this area.
Very true.
So obviously they need a special attention and special care.
Very true.
And they are being housed in a different location. So what are the things you are doing to take special care of these birds?
So I must tell you, like we have been getting lot many comments saying like the birds are being caged or something like that. That the birds are not supposed to be caged, but like out here you can see the kind of enclosures which we have made for each and every birds out here. They are not being clustered just in one cages and then not taken very well care of. But like what we have done is like we have tried to pamper the birds as much as possible. The kind of enclosures which we have out here is like pretty large, which where they can play around. They won't be at stress and all. And then I think the kind of like fruits and the feeds which we feed them is like very expensive ones, by the way. And then one every alternate days we feed them olive oil mixed with fruits and grains and all. So we are feeding them with sunflower seeds, we are feeding them with pomegranate, we are feeding them with grapes, and lot many different kind of feeds.
Medical attention like through
Yeah,
veterinaries?
yeah. We as of now we have already processed the file for designated vet out here. But like as of now, the vet who is nearby, she's like from the veterinary department. So whenever we have any kind of like emergency out here, so she takes care of the birds, and then
so basically, this is a soft, like launching of this park. Officially, it has not been inaugurated, and you have
Very
been
true.
getting a good, pretty number of footfalls. What is the footfall every day?
So see, now this is the peak season right now for the tourists to visit the park. So like everyday footfall is around 300 to 400 tourists. Sometimes it goes up to 500 as well. But as you know that this is the tourist season, so there's like we are expecting lot more in future. But like yes, there are lean period as well, like during the heavy monsoon season and all. So that time we are like I think we are not very sure whether the tourist, the kind of flow which we have right now. So I don't think so. We will be able to get that many number of tourists during the lean period.
So your department is also inviting the suggestions to have
Yeah,
more
very
improvement
true.
in the
Yeah,
park.
yeah. So like we are doing on a trial run right now. So like the reason why we are doing this is like we wanted to get honest feedback and suggestion from the tourists and from the locals as well, so that we can improvise in the future. Like if they have any kind of like grievances, or like if something is not up to the mark, so we would like to improvise that in future.
Yeah. I think in the last press conference it was mentioned that there have been some captive breeding, right? What can you share about this?
Yeah, there has
What is
been.
actually
Yeah, there has been like a lot many captive breedings. I think we have already hatched like around 10 numbers of hatchlings out here. So I think this is one of the most successful breeding which we have done in Sikkim.
So what happens to them? They are also
They are also kept out. And I think it's better if they are bred out here, because like they will be more acclimatized to the the weather condition out here. Yeah.
And lastly, basically this will be helpful to the most important segment of the society, with the students. Right?
Uh-huh.
How do you plan to, encourage them to visit, like school visits and all exposure visits?
Yeah, we have been doing like lot many school visits. Like mostly we are targeting. See, schools, lot many students they come and visit the park, and then we have been getting the feedbacks from there that they like never in their life or like never in the in the videos or something they have just seen in the videos and all, but when they come to the park they are like, when they see everything live and then when they are able to interact with the birds, they are like really happy with that. And then and then we have been targeting a lot many remote schools like from all that Gaon Basti and all, no. So we are trying to give them more exposure trip to the birds, to the bird park, so that they can have a good interaction with the bird. They can, like, we have put different signages. They can at least have some idea कि these are the birds which are kept out here, and then these are the native to this place. These are the like things which we feed them. So that is there.
हम तो देख कोलकाता से आया हूँ, मेरे को इतना बढ़िया लगा, मेरे को लगता है जैसे जुरासिक पार्क में आ गए। ठीक है, फर्स्ट टाइम तो मेरे को लग रहा है जुरासिक पार्क में है, और इतना अच्छा मेंटेन है इधर का, बहुत ही बढ़िया। तो जो भी है इधर का मेंटेन करने वाला उसको मेरे थैंक्स है, और हम ये अगर कोशिश करेंगे तो दोबारा इधर आएंगे देखने के लिए।
तो कुछ सजेशंस है ये पार्क को लेकर, कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट करना है?
सजेशंस मतलब सब कुछ ठीक ठाक ही लग रहा है, तो थोड़ा और बर्ड्स अगर होने से थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है और भी अच्छा, बाकी तो सब बहुत बढ़िया है। ठीक, थैंक यू,
नाइस सजेशन।
जो
आपका नाम और कहाँ से? 1 2 3 को।
नहीं
मैं रोनी मित्रा हूँ, मैं कलकत्ता से आया हूँ,
चलो समझ।
और मैं एक सजेशन में ये जो ये है तो इसके लिए मैं दे सकता हूँ, क्योंकि हम लोग का इंडिया का नेशनल बर्ड है मयूर, हाँ, पीकॉक। तो पीकॉक यहाँ पर नहीं दिखाई दिया, तो पीकॉक रहने से और भी यह जो शानदार जो है और भी बढ़ जाता। ठीक है, तो क्योंकि नेशनल बर्ड है ये तो एक बार होना ही चाहिए ना, ये होने से और अच्छा होता। और ओवरऑल तो ब्यूटीफुल, और जो पूरी यहाँ पर जो सराउंडिंग जो यहाँ पर जो नेचर है वो माइंड ब्लोइंग है, माइंड ब्लोइंग, एकदम बहुत बढ़िया है। थैंक यू।
हाँ, मैं पौशाली दे हूँ और मैं कोलकाता से आई हूँ। यहाँ का नेचर और सराउंडिंग बहुत अच्छा है, मुझे तो यहाँ आकर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और
क्या अच्छा लगा यहाँ अंदर?
हाँ, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे बर्ड्स हैं। वैसे तो हम लोगों को देखने को नहीं मिलता इतना सारा बर्ड्स, तो अच्छा लगा। डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बर्ड्स हैं। और
सजेशंस है?
हाँ, मतलब हम लोग तो कोलकाता से आए हैं, तो यहाँ का वहाँ पर हम लोगों को इतना नेचर देखने को नहीं मिलता है। वहाँ पर तो बहुत सारे बिल्डिंग्स है, तो यहाँ पर नेचर पे आके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
सजेशन बोलते हैं, फ्रेंड्स को क्या कहेंगे?
फ्रेंड्स लोगों को क्या कहेंगे अभी जाके इस पार्क के बारे में?
हाँ, मैं सजेशन दूंगी अपने फ्रेंड्स को कि यहाँ पर आने के लिए, क्योंकि ये नेचर बहुत पीसफुल है ना, तो इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पर जो आए हैं घूमने तो उन लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। तो मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को यही बोलूंगी कि एक बार एटलीस्ट यहाँ पर आकर घूम जाए।
आपका पहली बार?
हाँ, मैं पहली बार यहाँ आई हूँ, और हाँ, दूसरे बार बहुत मतलब आएंगे जरूर।
To this location and your kind introduction, please.
Okay, so I'm Dr. Vikram Shah from Bombay. I'm a practicing dental surgeon, like a photography enthusiast. It's a hobby or passion.
So this matches your interest?
Absolutely, absolutely, and it in fact exceeds our expectations by huge amount. Yeah.
And I believe I overheard you have been to some bird parks in outside India.
Yes. I mean, we've traveled to Singapore, we've traveled to South Africa, but trust me, we didn't expect this to be as good as it is today. And considering that, it's only going to get better from there. It's amazing. Very happy.
Your comment on the kind of birds that you saw and you photographed?
Yes, see pheasants. I mean, I haven't seen such a variety of pheasants.
Okay.
This is beautiful.
Yeah. And what will be your suggestions to the department so they can further enhance its appeal?
See, I'm sure. I mean, they're already in the process of, making like a complete net over. So you'll have a lot of birds freely loitering around, but loving it. I mean, and these orchids. I mean, I discussed with my friend out here that we've been to Jurong, been to the orchid gardens in Singapore, but these are beautiful and so many in bloom. Amazing. Very happy.
And can we look forward to hear some of the captures getting prominent?
I would be more than happy if my photos get out of my camera and reach somewhere. That would already, yeah, absolutely.
You'll be promoting this place.
101%. In fact, we were happy that we found out this place thanks to Instagram feeds and
This is your first time.
in Sikkim, yes, but not my last for sure.
Yeah, how is the kid loving it? Are you
Yeah, yes, I'm loving it.
loving? Which birds did you take photos today?
Yeah, till now there's many pheasants. Yeah, and parakeets.
You love this place.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
you.
Yes.
We are from Vilai, and it's amazing to watch here the live nature look they have created here artificially. But मतलब लग नहीं रहा कि आप artificial zone में हो. The birds are so comfortable and the habitats they have created for them, it's amazing. Nice creativity.
प्रेमचंद सागर है। मैं मेरठ उत्तर प्रदेश से यहाँ घूमने आया हूँ फैमिली के। सिक्किम में हूँ मैं इस वक्त और बहुत सुंदर जगह पर हूँ मैं इस वक्त। जो मुझे महसूस हुआ है कि प्राकृतिक चीज़ों का आनंद लेना हो तो सिक्किम में ज़रूर आइएगा। बहुत सुंदर, अति सुंदर। और यहाँ का शहर बहुत अच्छा लगा, यहाँ के लोग बहुत अच्छे लगे, उनका एटीट्यूड बहुत अच्छा लगा, पार्क बहुत अच्छा है, यहाँ का खाना पीना बहुत सुंदर है यहाँ का।
इतना 20 वैरायटी का चिड़िया आपने कभी देखा?
हाँ, नहीं हमने कभी जितना वैरायटी की चिड़िया यहाँ पर हमें को देखने को मिला वो हमने कभी कहीं नहीं देखा।
ओके, थैंक यू।
ओके।